For this visit, I went to Slim Goody's Diner on Magazine Street. It's actually in the same block as Dat Dog. According to his website, located in New Orleans on historic Magazine Street, Slim Goody's Diner is a happening breakfast and lunch diner where locals and travelers alike come to dine and socialize. Our menu features dishes assembled from the freshest ingredients, sure to bring bold and inspiring Creole and international flavors into your life. Slim Goody's Diner came from a deeply rooted New Orleans background, and we've been cooking with love ever since. Our mission is to share the iconic cultural Creole food and service standards that New Orleans is known for. Inspired daily to provide a place for family and friends to gather together in a casual, eclectic, artsy environment. I ordered the sweet potato waffle and sausage patties. I think that I ordered turkey sausage. I honestly don't remember. I also ordered a side of grits. All of them were tasty, especially the waffle. The grits and the waffle were even tastier after I added the butter and syrup. I ordered the chamomile tea as well. Let's dig in. Thanks so much for your time and attention. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I upload more videos highlighting New Orleans food and culture. Be blessed.